Hi, I'm Anthony,
Hi, I'm Iris.
and welcome to our garden.
Y'all, it is hot in Mississippi. It is really, really hot. And in Mississippi, not only do we have this heat going on where the heat index is up to 106 some days and to 110, we also have humidity. And that, as you know, that's not good for your garden. Well, it makes your garden work harder. How do you deal with the heat? Well, and what is working in the heat and what is not working in the heat for us. For us, we have some things that are doing well and some things that are not. So I'm going to show you some things that are doing well, and I'll show you some things that are not, some of our struggles. So right now you can see this is the sweet potato patch. It is loving the heat, but as you can tell, we've got some mosaic fungus going on. Another problem we're having with the sweet potatoes is little worms. Come on in and look and see how they're eating my sweet leaves. So I have been applying some neem oil. Neem oil is a solution for both, and it doesn't affect your it's not pesticide, it's a natural pesticide. So I've been taking some neem oil and spraying everything down. That's a fungicide and an insecticide. That's the most natural way to do it. Alrighty, neem oil. Okay, let me show you here. As you can see, we still have some more of this fungus going in here, that mosaic fungus. Going up here, powder mildew. And you can use more neem oil. I use a lot of neem oil in my garden to spray everything down. Or some insecticide soap uh, to help control it. It's very hard to control it right now because you have so much moisture. And so I keep my leaves pruned back because if you keep your leaves pruned back, you can stop it from spreading everywhere. So that is my intent.
By the way, everybody, this is our other cameraman behind ours. That's our son, AJ.
But right now, the lavender is loving it. And that started from a seed. So this is lavender right here, and it's loving it. It's loving what's going on. Also, another thing that's loving it, and I just planted it, is this turmeric. I don't know if you can see this. This is turmeric that I bought from Whole Foods and planted it. There's coming in there. It's one more should be coming in.
And by the way, turmeric is a tropical plant, so it will probably do very well with this kind of weather.
And over here, you can see more turmeric over here, which is not supposed to be here. I guess it was left over from last year. And it's coming in over here. This is my companion planting right there. All right, so something that's doing good is this Malabar spinach. It's a Vietnamese plant that thrives in heat. And it is actually doing very well. It's starting to fill in. And going up, even getting some berries. So it loves the heat. The peas are loving it, but I'm getting these little sun scorches. So the heat, the sun is starting to burn it. And you know what happens when your plants are attacked?
Now, those are leaf miners, are.
And they're both. This is leaf miner.
Mm-hmm.
This is where they've been eating it, and then the sun comes in and burn it up. So you got several things working against you. So you have the heat, which makes it weak. It starts to struggle. And then what happens when you got something that's weak, you get attacked. The bugs start to attack it. So, but it has a pretty canopy. But if you look real close, it's got some issues. Now this leaf is really pretty. I just hit it with some fertilizer yesterday with some triple 10. And we got a good rain. Yesterday, we got about an inch of rain, so that was good. But you can see I got peas coming in up there, which is very good. So the peas are coming on in. And I want to make sure you understand this is a late garden. We started it late. So I'm impressed that we're getting a lot of things in that normally would have been abundant by now. Okay, the cucumbers are loving it. And as you can see here, we got some cucumbers coming in. You see, I always plant companions so to keep the bugs away. I got a little deal and some marigolds. They're so pretty. And so the cucumbers are coming in, and I try to keep, still have a little disease coming in there. Can you see that? Leaf miners and some disease there. And I just, like I said, I just hit that with some triple T in yesterday. And it got a good inch of rain, so I don't have to water today. Got a good deep inch of rain. Strawberries is not liking it. It's got a fungus in it.
You've got a strawberry in there, though.
Do it?
Yep. There's one right there.
Oh, and the bugs have already eaten it. So I'll give it to the birds. Birds, you can have that one. So, what I have been doing with the strawberries is taking the runners and starting more somewhere else, so it doesn't pick up whatever's going on. And it does need a good cleanup. The watermelons are not loving it. It's got some kind of black fungus going on it, and I just hit it with some neem oil yesterday, so we'll see how that works out. It's a black fungus. You see that right there? Because your leaves are important. Your leaves are your solar panels, and this is where it captures the sun in, so it can put the energies down in the root. And if your leaves are affected, how is your plant gonna get what it needs down toward the roots? So you gotta have happy leaves, so you can have happy roots and happy fruit. The basil is loving it. And what the basil is doing right now is it's starting to go to seed. And so it's starting new basil. So it's just basil everywhere. Alrighty, let's see. The beets are not loving it. Come in and look and see. The beets are, the leaves are being beat up. They are not loving it.
It's time to harvest it or put a shade cloth over it, for it is a cool weather crop.
The herbs are loving it. As you can see, the lemon balm. Oh, look at that. Come here. I want you to see this. That is the makings of a worm.
It's more than just that one.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, there. By the time you see it there, yeah.
Oh, they're everywhere now.
It's too late. When you see it, it's already too late. Yep. So when your plants get weak, they get attacked by bugs. The ginger is loving it. And, you know, basil is one of those things that we didn't get the mulch this year that we wanted to get because we were a little late. The basil has counted as our mulch, and it's protecting the ground from the heat, and it's allowing the ginger to spread, and it's doing very well. As you can see, it's starting to spread right here. Look at there. These are little pieces of ginger like this, and it spreads out. You gotta have ginger in your house. The blackberries seem to loving it. And you see it's starting to, after we pruned it back severely, it's starting to come back. And I think this is probably because I just fed it and it may be burning. I'll let it grow in a little bit and prune it back. But we got some nutrient deficiencies in here, probably nitrogen, which is why I hit it with some triple 10 yesterday to give it a boost. Come on. And the peppers seem to be loving it, but the peppers are doing well because we have the shade cloth, and you can see the hoop we got over here, and we're covering it. And so since we've covered it, it's doing so much better. I see I have got lots of blooms coming in, and these pretty peppers are starting to come in. And the shade cloth is also keeping the pest off of everything. And there's another one that's real pretty there. And the squash is not loving it. These are my zucchinis that I replanted after the vine the squash borers got into them, and they're starting to come back up. I'm hoping that they'll do well. But this is the second round. One thing about it is if your plants are being eaten up, pull them up. Don't let them just sit there. Pull them up, start another one. It's not too late. And remember, all this is trial and error. If it doesn't work the first time, try again. All right. So the okra is loving it. See, look at there. Look at those big old pieces of okra. Those are gonna be good in the air fryer. So the okra's starting to come in. Like I tell you, we were late this year planting our okra, but it's starting to really like it. It's got a little bit of fungus here. All I have to do is just do that, get rid of it. What else? In this position, right here, because of the shade that comes in, this oregano is loving it. That oregano over there is not loving it as much because of the positioning it's in. It's in a lot of shade. So just know that when the heat comes in, you're going to have problems. Try different things. Neem oil works. If you have to, what we do is scorch the earth, put in some pesticides, because we are in Mississippi and we are battling lots of different elements. Humidity, and then you have the rain that comes in, ants, worms, then you have aphids, you have those stink bugs and
Japanese lantern beetles.
the Japanese beetles, you got the squash beetles, you have cucumber beetles. You just have lots of different things we are battling. So just know that one day everything could be great and the next day you could come in and it's not great. So it's a battle that we do every day. So I hope this lets you see some of the pluses and minuses of the heat. All I know is it's hot out here. Write your concerns or what's going on in your garden in the chat so we can talk about it. Right now, neem oil and insecticide insectic soap has been my solution for a lot of things, but it's not the only solution. So tell me what are you doing to solve your problems, and I hope this helps you. I hope you have a great day. Happy gardening, and remember, you take care of the garden. The garden will take care of you.